What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to go over a few things I like to check over on these ATVs when I get them. Hopefully this provides some tips for you guys as well. So let's get into the video. This ATV here has a dead battery on it, so I'm switching it out with the one on the Altera into this one so we can read the codes. One of the things I want to know on these ATVs is if it has any codes, so I need a good battery to check that. And I'm going to show you how to read the codes here on a 2012 Arctic Cat 700. This goes for any teardrop style gauge. So if your ATV has a teardrop style gauge, this is how you'll check the codes on these Arctic Cats. Alright, to read codes on your ATV here, you've got the gauge up here and the key, and you're going to need a good battery so you have voltage running through the system. And then right back here in the back by the fuses, you've got this little plug here. This is the diagnostic plug. It's got a rubber cover on it, at least it should. And it's got 6 little slots there, and we're going to connect 2 of those to check our codes. So I'm going to show you which ones to connect here. Alright, well it's pretty hard to see down here, but there's a black wire. It's black with a red stripe on it, and then black. But basically what you're looking for is these 2 pins here on the bottom, or on the top or side, or whichever way you've got it. They're the 2 on the end of the plug that are closest together. See, on this end there's only one there in the middle, these 2 here on this end. So those 2 right there are the ones you want to connect, and you would use a diagnostic plug to do this, or you can use a paper clip, or I've got this copper wire made up because I've done this quite a few times, and you can just slip that right in there. So we're going to connect those 2 there on the end. Just make sure your wire's in there connecting those 2 terminals. Alright, so we're going to start out by taking our key to the off position. We've got a good battery in it. We're going to connect that diagnostic plug. We're going to turn the key on and read the codes. We've got SC32, SC60, and looks like just those 2 codes. So then we can just turn the key back off. We've got our codes. I'm going to show you how to reset them and what those codes are. So we're going to refer back to the service manual, and you can see right here SC32 is the fuel injector, and 60 is going to be the cooling fan relay. Now you may see a code that says AC, that means it's an active code, and if it says SC, that is a stored code. So those 2 are just stored codes, so I'm going to show you here how to reset the codes. We've already read the codes, so to reset the codes, you're going to put the ATV in 4-wheel drive, and then you're going to depress the override button, the reverse override button, and then we're going to put the key to the on position. You heard the 4-wheel drive. Now up here in the gauge, we've got AC00. So now that all the codes have been reset, we just turn the key off, and then we're just going to remove the jumper pin now that we're done with the codes. Alright guys, so that's how to check the codes if you have the teardrop style gauge, Arctic Cat ATV, or UTVs. Works the same on both. Hope this video helped you out. Smash the thumbs up button if this was helpful for you. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.